Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new pool home RV garage listing for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 3085 Shoshone Drive. It was just listed for $779. It's kind of a unique property because it has a big double RV garage in the back that's detached. It's a nice neighborhood, pretty close to Havasu Riviera Launch and Marina on the south end of town. They're bleeding the hydrant here, so there's some water going down the street. So this is your little side drive that leads to the RV garage in the back. We'll go check out. So you also have a good amount of covered RV side access and parking. Let's go in and check it out. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home. Sits on a big 0.35 acre lot. Built in 1997, 1,554 square feet. Again, just listed for $779. Plank tile floors, vaulted ceilings. Double slider out to the backyard pool area. It's done some remodeling, I guess. There is a leathered piece of granite and a little sit-at breakfast bar counter, stainless appliances, RO at your sink. It's a little bit funky because it looks like they took all the cabinets out. You have a little informal dining area at the front of the house here. Even without all the cabinets, there's still a good amount of storage. A little pantry with double doors. This is a split floor plan. So you have the master, indoor laundry and garage access. We'll go check out. So this is the master. All pretty clean, vaulted ceilings in here as well with pot shelves. Slider out to the backyard pool area. So you have your master bath with a pocket door, plank tile floors in here, dual sinks. Has a little soaker tub. Glass door shower. Also have a double mirrored glass door to your walk-in closet. So on the other side of the house, you have your other 2 bedrooms and a guest bath. So this is guest bedroom number 1 at the front of the house. Looks like they got rid of the doors on the closet. And then you have your guest bath, solid surface counters, glass door, shower, tub combo. And then you have bedroom number 3 at the back of the house. And it looks like they did a little bonus room kick out on this one. So it has this little add-on bonus room, has a slider out to the backyard. It's not much to it, but it could be a little cool office. You can tell it's an add-on because you can see the stucco, original stucco on the wall here. So we're back on the other side by the kitchen and master. You have your indoor laundry, garage door access. So you have a typical 2-car garage. Has a 32-foot bay Does have a mini split AC in here. There is a little kick out. There's only one dimension, so I'm just going with that. Also says there's an 8-foot door, but I'm not sure that's actually an 8-foot door. So you have your double slider out to the backyard covered patio. They did an Aluma wood kick out to make it a little bigger, which is pretty nice. Pool's pretty nice. Has a quartz finish to it. Here's your little side drive to the RV garage here. We'll go check out in a minute. So you have a little gazebo, has power and a TV. Be a cool little spot for like a barbecue and a bar or something. Have your pool equipment behind here. Looks like the pool is both heated and cooled with the chiller. There's your little side access, goes all the way back. All right, let's go check out this RV garage. So here's your driveway to get to this double wide RV garage. And one of the questions I had was, what's over here? Who owns it? I looked it up, and this is, in fact, the next door neighbor's lot, but unused because they built their wall over here. So, but it does drop off. That does not show in the overhead satellite picture, of course. They have a little access over here as well. Looks like it has dual mini split ACs in this garage. So I just measured it with my phone. It's approximately 30 feet from the door to the edge of the concrete over here. There is a little bit of give, but I wouldn't go off it. Crack your concrete. All right, let's go on in and check it out. All right, so you have a double wide, over double wide. It's 30 feet wide at the door, 50 foot deep with a 14-foot door, 2 mini split AC units, some ceiling fans. This is also where the third bathroom lives. The utility sink and shower setup. Looks like it has clean outs, a 50 amp. It looks like a instant hot water tank. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walkthrough of the house over here on Shoshone. Again, this one was just listed for $779. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.